Welcome to this tutorial on how to verify your identity in Robinhood. Verifying your identity is an important step in ensuring the security of your account and complying with regulatory requirements. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the lower right corner of the app or in the top right corner of the website. Look for the option labeled Account Information, and then select Verify Identity. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. This usually includes your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all the information you enter matches the details on your official identification documents. After entering your information, you may also be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to take a clear photo of your ID and upload it for verification. Once you have submitted your information and documents, Robinhood will process your request. This may take a few minutes to several days. You will receive a notification when your identity has been successfully verified. If there are any issues, Robinhood will notify you as well and may ask for additional information. By following these steps, you can complete your identity verification in Robinhood with ease.